because who no we go yo or mari go where a big one I feel where you are okay. But we are telling well
okay, Pamudia. Now let's go to Lawa. My brother.
Daddy, please, a minute now. When I operate here, the platform there, Daddy, when I'm the pass me to yourself, my father and grab you both of you are above 65. So when it came, I'm meeting for the next 2 minutes. My body okay. What has well, it's only K one. Daddy, Daddy, who can they pass me to time? On our side, pass it in the right way and we'll tell you the area also with Daddy. Please.
Okay. Oh no, let me explain to him. Maybe on my tradition is say in a beg, but maybe in my way. Let's go back to those days of our grandmother. When your grandmother on that bus the former man on Maria, or her mother, this man will not pay the bride price back to the former man. Edoga ajibegene tete. Dunagele ekunukede. Obiade no pasia any you the new man who pay anyway because of hero why. Ubene tita work because of hero why. My way we want to have and now him go your he pay back to the family. You give me daughter okay. My brother, go back again and ask the oldest person in your family. Let me explain this thing to you. And the only time I will turn up. You may take it to any length or any high voice, but just pay a listen ear. Oh, when I walk, guys, when you are living with me in the same house, then now marry. You may marry when I walk back. Then una bana aluge cook be away. Okay, if you where you are. But when I walk back, una pack it back for more than a year. He married doing a mabunere una look be away. Umage, if I decide to come back, me. Now decide to come and beg you back after those years. A duty where it away yet because it's one low where could be away there. Then the work has on way. Yes. Again, I will not use the word we gas on that is for some people. No, we need to put it desperate. You cannot hold that woman responsible of where you are. And again, have a person in. The other one again. Una little girl. Well, in a daughter in a big family house, and this girlfriend is living with you in that family house. Some family have this thing. As far as that girl is living with you in that house, and or bien or whatever, or ona kuwa ya ge, ona kuwa ya look be away. Umamu go your of where you are now, because it's live with you in that family big house. For some family have it, but when I am your way, ona bien, we am your way, ona the Bible be a where you are. Okay. So my brother, I would like you to go back to us, the oldest person in your family, not explain the meaning of Oge my way. Or you were wearing for many years. Then now you want it back Oge, your mage. Opa, no, I don't want to by worrying. This one pack away from that house of Bane. That marriage is already it's been broken up Bane. Opane, Ereba, Obaro, Gubyanaro, Bogalo, Bayo, away. Go ask your grandmother. Your grandmother, we are married after the first man. The new man paid the daddy back to that old man, to the old husband, and to the family, to the old husband.
Smith, wait. Wajai kote vena. Gwena watakba.
Boss, your father.
Dabi hok gwena watakba. Smith. Oh, who wemu this see. Uyedo matana, the law no roto do matana. When no roto do, Davi ho. When no roto do, it will be roto son. Let me tell you. Oh, who Davi ho. But some do or ishan.
What can I was not afraid. The man wouldn't say I answer you.
Let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Ishan.
Okay, then tell me about
let me tell you, Dameho, what I mean. Would Ohunamugo Yohune Una mwigo yokwo hu ona ye girlfriend ohu na ri okwo yowa uma mwigo yo hu ona ya fi owe yo ha boyfriend and girlfriend ma kaiji du ma mwigo yo hu okwo nu we mwigo yo hu ne ona pabo gwa were oyin na decide that in alelo pe awe or return a bad price in or return the family. All return the go ni je family before we go pe abe lobi e. Owo oye ni go we go your hona ya go pe abe lobi e. Off your way you ha. Oh.
Okay, bros. Bros, I will let you know one thing. Bros, I will let you know one thing. Let me use this one first. My brother, let me tell you one thing. In the real way of tradition, if you say you are from Isha, go back and find out the real way of tradition from my own side of Benin, mine is your own side. You don't return money back to the family. I return you go to the family.
You return the money. The family do not yoku. The family, the man when you marry you now you want to return by price too.
Okay. Listen, Mama, they come. Make a truth for what they talk.
Okay, Baba.
In those days, when your old people leave the first marriage, they'll become single. The another man will come to that woman's life as a young woman. And at the point then when the both of them started dating, then this new man will propose to this woman to marry you. Then the family now sit down that this woman or Tamawi go your way. Okay, the day of the marriage, they will not call this man, you will not pay this money back to that man. You don't pay to the family.
They need to return the money before the day of marriage.
I beg.
Papa, because you don't understand the tradition. If you understand the tradition, number one, according to when Baba Smith Yagwan this number one, kuna mugo your hune. Omana return you go give beno nuke ya maru huni. Ana mugo ju hune. Ovudo are breko ana do se be ayo huni na ya love ona ya love of you where you are.
Thank you.
Why mugo yoku hune baba la wera me dane di la baba. Una mugo yoku hun agwive marriage ohoni remi or egbeno kere oya diva ya ami 2 years ami 3 years ami 4 years. Okwoni na ka ge gbo egbe wenye ne mana ma ho no do mievi bi o no do settle the issue e va ne gbo kwoni na ti la wo do a return go or do adori go or do adori ovinya back no vinya make na hin oge okwona mu go your hu go tedu any right nyabo bia breko nyama breko any right ona alobie ko bia be na wano.
Baba, Festus Daniel, will not pack it by wearing after years, my boy, my for you are okay. I'm not sure you are. Oh, eyes. Oh, when you are she's gone already. I beg you.
Oh, Baba Mudia, Baba Gujo, Ijeme la didn't explain them, my Papa Smith. When was it in that? No, when was it? He didn't
explain. Papa Smith. All right. Make so. Obego kuna go arowa. The feel where you are automatically only rei. Ogbava Abeku is an adulterous woman because you go erowa on a feel where you are. They don't have a use o boni. No ya feel where you are. Ya do a dollar. No ya live anyway. Automatically o to rei. But when you make by your wearing under your roof, that marriage, traditional marriage, a blessing, that woman is not under your roof. Although, origé wẹ́ẹ́rí kó ẹ̀rí lẹ́nu ẹ̀rí tọ́nu ẹ̀ owó ní ìgbà wẹ́ ní tì ọmọ fi owó ẹ̀ṣẹ́ wa.
Of your word, because you go where you
Sister,
go.
okay,
No,
so
of your word, why change the topic? You go where you wrong.
Gume finish now. Why can't now? Gume finish. Owó ní ìró wàwẹ́.
Let them say we are going for
You go
Owó ní
where
báyọ̀
you
wàwẹ́ rẹ̀ nẹ́.
wrong. My return, you go,
Yes,
still your wife. It's still your wife. By law, by tradition. It's still your wife.
Bros mudia. Owó ní ìró wàwẹ́. Uhu ẹ̀ pani. Te olóòbí ẹ̀ kò pè àrè. Fún àyíkó wẹ̀ yìí rọ̀ ọ̀hún. Omage.
Okay, Mudan sister, Mudan.
Yes. Of your way you are. Adamio. Ose nu wa na bega bi jima be ne de. Iyake adiowa. Ano egbe uroe ever since. Kemi nururi uroe. Abena dozoe. Abi jima soro. No man fi ogbe jo adege ni na aroe. Beri ya be o dafia uya yo ware. But nya ya de aro any elo maybe you soro na no ko be so po maybe you be soro na be key ogwe a na kwa mose ijo beto fi ogwe jo ani because o me garo what that for him no time on that for him no time when you take one brother ba key o se ni so ado okay de gbe adi ogwa almost also eto woni tv
Mama, ni tell mama,
Please.
Let them say ya zo aya lulame.
Mama, let them say. He didn't explain it in that man. Danny ho, he didn't explain on any. Una mugo yo tedo. La wo mo me guna mugo yo tedo. Egbo wa go ko ni do se gbe ai for more like over 10 years 20 years oho ni marital ni wo ni ube wo bia ni na wu so aba no there the not time that wo bia ni na wu without o make oho ni ya return ni go back to that man wo go ho ni oho no ka no ya bia no bia be hin ne oho no ya na ya we anything ne wo ho ni o we gbe di owa ni do o we gbe di owa
Odo one that is true e matter no
exactly
o we get to
One after the other,
Yeah.
please.
That's true.
If the woman accept on I get first. If the woman accept, the woman can accept to say
Papa Smith.
My brother.
Hello, I don't like this.
Oh, what is the right? They have to he left that marriage for 10 years. They have right. Okay?
Please.
They have right. Don't know where willingly. Mama Mujane. Don't know where willingly. He want to do it willingly based on. Based on mono BNA. It's not force. Force.
Mama, it didn't clear.
He just want to do it willingly.
Let me clear one thing here, please. Mana Agwa Kugbe on that. If I wrote to here, understand it, man. Please, let's rearrange this thing. I do I jump here, Kugbe. The topic and deviate from that place, my line your way, which is not a bad thing. Mommy, thank you very much. I love you. Thank you. God bless you for the gift. If you don't know now, first of all, I'm coming back to you. First of all, it will be Sonia, Sophia, Ogwa, Yaklev for them. Please, let's do it this way in your family. Let us not generalize it, please. Because everyone generalizes to a family. Everyone has a family, Osawaru. Everyone has a family, Degweji. Are you getting my point? That the family in Lelo here. But for one thing for sure is this where they know je abugoji muhuna we are not family ina ba or now Ebi na last month na saba gima pa. Ina ya rowe rani. 150 years igbe mani. Obe na je gbeji. Force with ya one agwa. It's going to be a thing where if I feel like doing, it's not forced.
But you go get wrong marital.
The only place not supposed to know a force where they know listen very carefully, please. Please, Agwegwa. Now I want to remarried. It's my duty to return that back to the owner. If I return it back, they can easily say, okay, in your jamais. Which a boy family member no, in your equity must be here. Are you getting me? So if at all, if marital go,
automatically,
yes, that's what you're saying. If a marital go, and the man did not ask me, but when marital and the married, I'm still the wife of that man.
Thank you.
The dowry is still on me.
Thank you.
If my husband, ex-wife, or married to the bride price, according to tradition, she's still the first wife.
Thank you.
Okay, equally, or to not return her back in there.
Mama, we not dispute that one. That one not be lie. We not dispute that one. See where the problem there.
That's like this way. That is the please forget. Then no, je. Oh, when I roll down there, I will talk you where you are. Oh, when I want to for it, other roll right. Yeah, the funny wrong. Other way to know. To a man that is or wrong. The only thing when she's going back to this man, also because
exactly.
But there is no traditional way where or to ritual purpose nega we kia. The only way remarry or to the traditional money has been returned.
Yes.
She's not under your roof anymore. She's not cooking for you anymore. And last year you live in it. But only one thing, she hold you to return that money. Or don't you are not like no for zone anywhere. They're not trying to make peace with them. Okay, why can't you go back? If you want, yeah, no, you're there in the space in Marek then you are operating in that the family. Or look at the family of the man can say, okay, look at it. I zone no lawa. I zone no holy lawa. Why someone will say, oh, I fast self you where you had it. Something by it, no, oh, half your yaji. My zone way, case closed, we work here. Are you getting me? So, maybe Sophia, you have gone through it. Maybe
also, I never know where, but my another maybe we can remember. Why me was not by word already for many years. Obia Yvani, the letter very not of fear. I had Thierry. I went not the way. I went with the phone. Wow, one. I will yet one because it looked Yavene.
okay.
Yet when it looked Yavena, okay, where Uri Gima. I will most of one.
Yes, I wanna. Other means you family as in yes, the overall senior. I don't want to go deep. Is your mega good of no one, but marital purpose of Mother. On a road boy. It are not yet beji. They did their traditional. They ask her. She say yes, yeah, one. They do the necessary things. She do.
A woman need a mirror.
Till today, she live in that house till today.
Thank you.
She's still in the house. But it's not a must.
I'm not saying I know. We're not saying I know because they want to know whether she's still clean or she's already out already.
Okay.
And so, where one of the phone because it's being a bot. If you want it, I can zone and if I can hear
you're right.
If I can hear
That's Evani, every time we feel where you have no we lying. Because of mafia where you are mad, you're lying.
You're lying. Yes, you are correct. Where's it?
Oh, yes, so that about what you can't allow. Yeah, tell you when you made the possibility where I zone way. Most of the time, your beer had not your money. And you're not number sooner. Or in the air, you don't want it. For the children to have their own sometimes self-respect and dignity. Don't worry about marry or marry. You can swear do the necessary traditional rights and come back to the house and do the necessary thing for the sake of the children. So what we are still saying here now, I would love Mommy Sophia to contribute on her own side. Then why don't we put the one do the the topic if I tell no bet I had to treat him and but I want him to we now Kalokia, ya money larger band, now what anybody know Ritali. now because the last time they saw him was in Italy. So close to border of Austria, and the guy Raje, Ivie Vano, Audio, Amenawo. What is the name? So Thierry Jamie, Ivie Vare, the Yagwane here. So mommy, la Ariete,
Epishogerwa.
Oro, Repishogerwa, but now because of that. Let me continue.
Flash any and I make it.
So, okay, Awania, Aritone, bad president, me Luweba Birane, me return bad president, when no marriage. After 3 years, we mavero me magiro, mama give me egbe, mama yemegbe, nothing. Before that 3 years ina tirame, ina tamirame we, baba I only return a bride price na. Sisi imagi mie ne no biao, ina kanerame. We koerame we no one the last 2 years rame, werame wa the age of 1 dra 1. Ina nerame we ya when you was so na no wa hiya be no wa hiya na be ni mami na. Ina le look biave de na huevo. Erame we awa wa iga le look biave de na hue. Tifio where you ha. O gani meti do ha mame ba we iye we ni eri ege me oni ma weti ye semi ai mo ya fio where you ha. Ya ogwe ni wa we ya we ma my yoni gi on mo do wa ma gi mi okbia ni I have to return the bride price first before ke we ni ti boy. Erera me ya ari ogwo kagbo.
Thank you. God bless you.
Eriera meja ari ogo kagboginya.
It's still the same thing.
Ona gioma kagboginya we ya do mio do rogwa. Ono do miye. Iya mare ogwe fio wiana. Eriera me wa ya okagbeke yore. Era me sevanine. Eriera me ya return igo. Ona ri no kagbera wo ma seberi oga aseto era no work begbene. Egi yemi na giseto wa migwa area return igo area return ene ebani na we free.
Sophia,
madam, nous sommes à l'Ouga. Sophia, au début, let us say 1 minute là où maman let us say.
Omeha.
Mama. Okay. Alungarema, au début.
Alungaro.
Obiani, uweto pa. Ono na woto buwe back your worry. You have gone. You made up your mind where a marriage in here by worry. Or look at when not to the man not to buy woman demand, but you were waiting. Oh,
the demand to buy. No, be the master come up.
Okay, na. The same woman not to buy park. Ona be a degeni we be to beg demand. Wage matana the same woman na be
the same thing no, Alungaro. The same thing.
Almost the same thing, you know.
It's not the same thing.
Almost the same thing.
The same thing, no. Because as far as you go to woman return you go ni. Sophia, you anything or wait to feel where you are.
Yes, that means Sophia. Yes. Okay, now. Okay, now let's go like this now. I want to tell you who we are now. That means all the women in our own side, all the women we can make it. Bini yase sani. Because maybe a tradition so already san no bon na here compare to mani already do ye maskebe edo julave esa julave ayo ko julave e je
who tell you
me san no bon esa many now when they don't go to bad team
who tell you I not telling my where
bros dame.
Era me oge sa o ma keke ya lu lave. Oge sa na
just lying.
Okay, well here the fear son of who they go say son me.
You are just lying. Yes,
sir. My brother, I know they like to say
it's your choice. Listen. Dame.
We give me one me agwa phone you can talk.
It's your choice. You know
Am I true? Me no buwe otesan di me we aga won do ona di ko esan na visa na di ko aye ajula me otiro ko ni ga we no ma keke na ona ajula me ona point number 2 otesan obia okuga we ni edoje na iga di ko na okuni na fiya wa ko ibere yo to me esa abere aye ko yo to
na the bishop be this one wa be
we are do di ala ko no mu yo wa who you adore, so there are many things. bros, there are many things with this son. Normal work with Oge Edo. We know that one. We should not just come here to paint it where you are lying, because in here many Esa person in here where the next day the mono ya Julave. Esa na where will not do for our side. We are here at we don't do one like now we do one not fucked up, now they do one. Okay, well, your own who are no problem. I will not doubt you. And the same time, now they have Esa. Una do quote some. When you return the woman back to the family, except you want to buy her. But with Bini, the family of that woman have no right to get to out of the body. That's why I'm married to that woman. I will bury her here. You or cannot come with my own house. But this is war. You can't try it. Okay, we all know that.
I return the visa.
Can I come in there, please?
I'll pay you, my brother. When you pay, you can carry the bag.
Because that will go. That is me too. I will every man of every man. Okuna mugojo. Then you have no be a hero. The egbenoku. Although boy family the man, I just want to know this part too, please. And you guys have to be sincere. Although egbeno go the boy egbeno be aware. See so where the problem is book be odo. And the woman is the man hero wa. Il va via deux ya on a via deux. Ere di man agele du kegbe ya igba de egbe di woman ri ni gore ere di man we aya de ka ne omonu bia ni man that bride price is return or not?
Yes, it's return. It's return.
Please, let's all take it to the other way around. Not
I will tell you in the recent
no, no more.
Okay, yes.
After the order, please. If not, she will not get the answer she wants. Please, my dad is a moment.
Okay, no more.
Mama first of all, dear, always know women also know that women.
Mama, let us say. When we are where I give return the bride price back. Gatawa return it back in eh.
No, the boy now where the man now where
I get
mame no my ori man for oko no mountain. Beto iketame where ekinovi ma jo emma. Igo na ekberi moira. Igo na aya de kano monu pianima. You are free.
Mama, there's one point you are missing there, please. Before Brother Smith will say something. Dude, the father of the guy collected the money from you guys before returning back to the child.
Not me, Masunuda.
Oh, Mama, that's what I'm trying to say. Now, no, it's not.
Yeah, ona collecting any go, ona lerumbe, umane minui mae, no mame minui mae. But ovi man fuck up, ovi mama who say.
Did they collect?
Are you collecting any go from the family of the woman? Ona we ya de ona turn no more. We ya take no more no be any man.
Mama, let us say.
They must collect it. They must know where it will happen here. If
not so no manner is this where in the recent the bride price was collected back.
Yes.
Or collected back in there. When that where money or but or collected. That is the main tradition. Or collect any. Because the poor marrow where the family no marrow where in the real tradition of Benin, we know here. I'm making an example. In the real way of Benin, or we not be here. Ego na ya pay bribe no worry. The era or your father will bring that money out from his own pocket money. Ego everywhere. Everywhere because we bona do the many people turn it upside down. My sister,
collect as far we collect no phone.
Emi na be dele ni, emi yana dele with the marriage. Go wire door, era or door. Your father will buy all those provision, oil, yam, this, and your father will dip hand on his pocket every day and put that 24 naira on the plate or the near or where. Let's call it spirit or where. Okay. So when he's returning it back, he's returning back to the family. I'm at your money where? A family where your they never give me wife. They give my family wife. So that is why I don't have too much right. I only have right as a man to claim where my well will kick body by me. The family of my wife will not call me. I'm too small for them to call. They will call my father or my elder brother.
Babala, Nisa Gary Olona Ke, I know Dio. I know Dio. Ne I know Dio Davi no sunu. We return Nenigo, Ego Niamu, go now, near return the Ona with Manola Diavia, Ona ya Lerum. Ona we case, ye managara bon, anything now sunu, and I know Diona. So it's right now, be Papa.
Yeah, please. The right thing.
I have something to say here, please. Now we'll go. The topic in the rotor, I conclude in a jiffy, please, guys, because we are go near. The thing here is this: where Papa Festus Lawe picture there is one lady. She reached out to me. She live here in Germany. If Van or Gualo away for more than 4 years. They have not heard from their brother. Nila won't go near we. Yakala Osenia, I believe she's sleeping by this time already. Oh, Dion. So, now, what is sitting out here? Udeni. Hey, Jebo Maifi. Eh? Udini. Udine. The answer about what are the Udine? Yeah, Italy. Where give me banana. Mama Bishop will meet here. So that will go audio nana. Audio eyati ore udene udio pare ya fefefe. So
so yeah,
more than 4 years. I'm so if you have any contact with this our brother, please contact me. I will contact the sister. This guy is a twins. Our twin sister live here in Germany, very close to me, 20 minutes from me. She asked me to please bring the picture out that the parents of this guy are seriously worried about him. And the father is currently very, very ill because he wants to speak with his son. For 4 years now, he has not heard from his son. Nobody has seen him. So please, if you know any whereabouts of this very guy, audio, please, contact us, please. I beg you guys. Just and if you don't know, not write me. Say yeah, but give me number.
Where picture?
Now they say picture for war. Yeah, now you're the worst.
Now be this guy. This one a big boy now.
Now twins, now big boy. So it's twin sister. They Jamie here. Some women they give their husband money to. Now tell Lugan we don't win Lugan.
A big boy. I know.
Yeah, but now we go. Yeah, no what talk about. Okay. This our brother now, we our sister the Luf, who use pidgin English so that people go understand. Since when he take their abroad, they call it twin sister.
Yeah, they talk. They talk. He said, "Get where they."
Okay. When was the last time when they talk, Rush?
4 years ago. He said what happened. He can't get some case because of day camp that time. He said so as a day camp, from a camp they go, it calls in place. If they can't transfer for camp, can't get case. So that stress that they got to go do it.
They can't transfer for camp.
They got to go do it. They call nationality. Now say, hey, be I don't know where else the nationality. Now embassy for they do for Italy. They made for nowhere for come from. So this guy can go do the thing costing them money. After they that money finish, they no carry money. Titaloma we go there.
And also now, no man na tell me ogari oya sunu.
When I go no ochi no ka oguma na. So at the end of the day now, he said later the guy come tell and say, lawyer don't write the paper for him. Say get to pay some money. He come tell and say, you ever go there and send the go by yourself pay that one. So that was the last time he would brother talk. I said, okay, what about your cousins? Me to say your brother going to visit that time. What about all those ones? You know, ask them whether they hear from her. So those ones say they're not here for her. Why are not go to the city when he did? Say they go there, they don't see anybody be see her. So for the past 4 years, nobody hear from this.
What can happen to the boy?
I don't know, Papa. The lady reached out to me, though it was really heavy for me to bring it out. He told me about
They not go the camp where if they make they go ask for them, make they sell somebody may go.
I just she come sit and come so to this.
Mama, the truth, this lady, in why just share for social media. If you want 5 person for Italy, may go the city, may for camp, may go meet those people. Don't feel look for her. All the laws are
you know, say if some of us come abroad,
The police stations.
if some of us come abroad, we'll change name, we'll change date of birth and all.
Yes.
As far as say, if with the brother fit they get communication, and this one are the brother pressure. The brother change name. Yeah, but one more topic in our
Oh no, they.
boy, me vaka kan hwanta my ahoe. Since
When
we
all
the boy gaje all report my police or report my lost and found. Or report my police here been even online they my lady. In almost a benia here name. I go about one line now where I see a video going on. In the police report, the police in only send they lost and found.
Like they like they answer the answer question with you. Oh no, maybe no. Like the document.
Near making sure the television. I'm a baby, mammy, or Gualoma. Because they don't say,
when we not said in Anoji, don't be with Germany. Or maybe Germany, the bishop Siona, might understand. Or it's even reports to German authorities for the past 4 years.
yes,
The last time
yeah,
we the Butigo, Benoya said the go he got you now. The Germany transferred the case to Italy. Oh, man, I'm a big brother. Oh, dear, because of the when my name is Baby, we put a lot of
Yes, they hide themselves.
the gas there.
and the realistic ye. Oh, I can report where a mammy a boy already next compound for
Yeah,
3
but
years.
I'm a bet the police station, mama.
And that was then. EJ, that was then. No, Marie. No, Marie, when me.
And we both get a CP. No one was a police station. I wear
No, it's not really like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, one reporting it or reporting anywhere. No,
report. Or it's a report with Germany. We obtain ina. Except it depends where my soul like we go. Et so we am ramage. Et so we am better parapa. Onaga anyo yari aduro. Eti do yore do weri in gualotie. You might understand. Here nowhere. I get to an gualo. But on a mere way or my very on yari aduro. Or eti report the German authorities with the picture. With the last time no send you go gear the receipt no you have to go or area now or a money grant you know up when you need this also receipt very there was this year for them given or Western Union don't you report when you allow wo the last time you hear what is Italy orage a camp orage you mangi emo you mind no sunu for 4 years now ni allow ni the Germany he transferred this thing with the picture of Italian police. Italian police he do so go along. Maybe another. Maybe
Which one I would press here?
If it is high school, it might don't understand. Maybe I wanna make another.
I understand.
I do I bad news. Maybe I wanna make another. Maybe I give it like more. It might don't understand because when Italian I will put name. A weapon amana
different
mesoro. Yeah, a mesoro a weapon. Salopala eminence no dayan. If they don't see person instantly, we go come and say this person are my own. They go bury that person.
We just have
that. They go bury the person. So okay, this person there is
Sister
nobody
Legend
to.
say we just have three big of our brother. Because we have about 3 of them sitting in Meyive now where it's stressing
and they tell you somehow. Mama, we have a head TV, head pay out. Italy
That is stressing. It's stressing. View Bonnie and Kakabo where they are not really good.
Okay, where are we?
You are looking for a way to help them. There is one who worked with 3 years under train station, nice setting CK. Well, there is one brother and if about they come with TikTok with man and do everything to help that boy. It's not here now you do Iladia. I can't do setting.
Because one no say nothing and I mama.
Well, what's no? Yep, DG. What's no? Yep.
Okay, so the comment here.
Okay.
Because a man say
what happened?
Some people did this abroad.
What happened?
Some people did this abroad, especially when something go happen to you, and there's no family, there's you don't get anybody for that. May God not let that kind of thing happen to us. For that kind of person, this thing to take there, they'll do their needful just to bury the person. Okay. Maybe this one will be our brother case.
20
you understand?
Yeah,
this one will be our brother case. Maybe this our brother who still they talk now. It does like kri. You understand? Maybe something's happen. You understand? So may God, if he does at school, he go there without a no person to do as arrest for him. You understand? So no family member, no. Now if you get person, because Italy now you boy as arrest. Now if you get person who will fit to as arrest for you. So if it be two ways, you understand? If our sister get document for Germany, make he carry the brother picture. The last time when it send that money, make a report first for Germany. Germany will come tell us, okay, we'll forward and go give Italy. Then you still go that city, go do the same thing.
After the man matter telling Nadia, la meeting the man for the messenger. And I'm going to get that we not you. Then me like back, we to back, maybe your back. Who tie me no back away. I'm going to matter telling Nadia now. You understand now?
Amagi mo phone.
You know me. We want picture where the man get mukoni now.
Amagi mo phone. Yebo.
That is Smith. I better follow me. I don't follow you.
Ben very and I post you. Bueno,
Okay. I need to follow you back.
Because the father, I need to follow you.
Italy Jinana. Oh, we had to make a map with no tour. Man, do understand? Okay, where do you post? You need to contact with him.
Now, I went in the Sistema iroto to wanisi wala wo uwa ihe no ihe ene adona agbomo abiyasemu lagwa Daddy Smith baba we koto to mu rabi la o ye na ihe ene agwetagwe egwe the comments are no be egwe wala be
wakata me pise de resi
All right.
ama baken temu
Are you going to script? Hello?
na ken kan wo for the see
Huda ọmọ náà nwa bụ okpogba ọyàn bí nọ ya gbọ́n ayé mẹ́rẹ̀ okwe wà gbẹ́wà ayáwó ẹ̀rẹ́ rí ọ àríyẹ̀mẹ́ lájá gbogbo ẹ̀rẹ́ yádọ́lẹ̀ méjì so èmi ni mẹ́bí ẹ̀bọ wẹ́nà sísá káyà bá ìpánẹ̀ wẹ́nà fi ọmọ náà káyà bá ìpánẹ̀ dé pàáyì ìdí hàn ẹ̀tájì ọjọ́ ọmọ náà ẹ̀bẹ̀ rí hàn ẹ̀mẹ́tájì de nona gwe ti oni lo wa gun ona ni kodo gbere ona setting we ojo don my be setting we no mo egbe ariki no ki ade ereji cuz imoto na that day or me accident adology I will gbe sun afie
baba obo do fi me na tebe we bi
me be gun
Okay, what's it on Wednesday? I'm gonna let me mommy, Sophia.
Anje.
Oh, baby, yeah.
Eye Davia Irema. I'll say that Davia. Navia Irema.
What are you here, Nania?
When me kata sina when I get the jo, bebe no give no ijena. When I say vane, or I seva, a man in a kuene, and metiare va bet. Although he avila like boneke for water, e mi not ria over the nahue, a mania yata joy, or ya boka. Oh yeah, tie joy. For me have to win a the jo, no why away. A man or zigo nani, or I get be money when and no ya zigo ne money. When no move one or wire no face him on a bow.
Okay.
I me one me ever.
What's it? Mama.
Hey, Joe.
Continue. When we were so good. Oh, well, one more that on
The mama. The mirror is that. The way I became agree, I have the law. I have new one, no phone, or I'm going nobody's about mistake. Mistake is bound to happen. So soon, only a less okay. Now she will be more wise. She will be wise. She already learned her lesson. So when no here no ya me the man I need the end of the day, not change a way of man no ka uri you no yani. Yeah, so I feel like where zen the work I won't you know kedi. I feel like where zen is right back. So you know ma can ganye. No matter near igwe say una kwak buko yegbe because yes or no no soon the one the percent yeah girl ma wa here you know mama na da ni ba ya mu no be e be su ra here wo ya ge so no matter no so no ko abi o e buru ha won do o ko no ya gi o wa bi o because be ya ba e so ya ge wa so ya ge abeg so no ne ge wa we wo pass is pass be so nke wa gun wa ya ge we talk ba o ya ge we so buru ha be ya here the man na with the gbe amogbo ya bia le the man here amogbo ya bia kin so ti here e mi wo ana we even in eduka uni na money o chi le for there that's all.
Okay. What are you going to do? Mommy, let them say, so what's on the
Even the army tabe me no. Na we no. Aka calculated remaining because when you jibe na hina egbebe na matisopo no mo adi social media because social media kagbere ma that's why we mo rene
why Tony no how many same mistake no made there is awareness. Yeah.
That's why we mo rene be na really give you advice emojo. Beti ati we nun lock babe when we or agwo doro almost to am ba bo doni because all that for we were married ave tion ya se gba lagbude e ya we married almost to am ma we na me we o da for we be respect
okay o
da for we be dame oyi okay no mo because now na etene no gbe ai ni dugbe gberegbe woni delta fu gberegbe because when we made the mistake in it manipu makabo wa made the mistake gbe so especially gbe abali mane ba fi we yawa de okay ma fi wetin my top of the world o da for when I ya me je va gbo ona ya me ra va gbo ona ya me o mana mi egbe o da for we mo bo damn you try no place a call you know where you are taking over here by brother for una ya meje una ya mera be you know where be ya camera be jouer et que nous vie be nous ya nya e o gbeso a ti be ata me o gba na ya abo se so ni ma be ma iya gbe ya idemi na witigi ya iya odo eni ya we rise odo iya kokigo ya joy. So for my advice to you, wa gele ni da wa we gbe una gele mu igbe nu aya fi gbere. I'm not here women supporting women mero ni wa gele ni da wa we gbe deep to the family. Dick to the yebo na go get dick to the family. You know where at me as well when you thank God when I get an answer I might have when you me I rock boy your one on. You know where at me border for we wala itewu imayu ni aya boy.
Okay.
Una de ewe awawe me no mwe emi no sunu before wawa agame little argument eri do amu ere eruka u vedere yo